Hello and welcome to an introduction to Commedia dell'arte. This is a course to introduce you to the world of Commedia dell'arte by Dr. Chiara Ganna. That is me. I've studied Commedia for a long time and I'm a practitioner, an actress, a director and an academic. And my specific research is the legacy of Commedia dell'arte in contemporary performance. I'm interested in discovering why Commedia dell'arte is so relevant to us today, how we can make it accessible to everybody, to every actor and teacher, tutors, lecturer around the world. There's a lot to be said about Commedia. There are loads of different perspectives, different schools, different practitioners, different ideas. And that makes sense because it's a very complex phenomenon, Commedia dell'arte. And also, we don't have video documentation. It was born in the 16th century in Italy. It developed for a long period of time. The golden age of Commedia dell'arte lasted for approximately 200 years, and it developed across all Europe. So there are probably many different ways it manifested, many different ways it developed, and there are equally many different ways it can be interpreted today. What I can offer you is my perspective on the subject, the thing I've been learning with a lot of amazing tutors from Italy and around the world, from great practitioners I met, and I can share with you a lot of things that I've learned thanks to my students. The way I've learned more about Commedia and how to make these masks, the characters of Commedia dell'arte, accessible to people, to actors, is thanks to the experience I had with my own students. Because I started to realize how I can better communicate the thing that I've learned and the thing that I love and the thing I'm passionate about. I'm passionate about Commedia dell'arte because it's an incredible tool that can teach you, any of you at any level and any physical ability, to express yourself through the body. Commedia dell'arte helps us to discover a lot about how to expand what I call the physical vocabulary. Basically, how to find an expression through the body. With Commedia dell'arte, it is an approach to theatre, a physical approach to theatre characterization. You pretty much use the whole body. Everything becomes expressive. It can be the tip of your toes, the tips of your finger, your eyes, your mouth, your tongue, your shoulders. Everything becomes extremely important to communicate something to an audience. Because it's such a physical form of theatre, and the body is so important to express your emotion, what you want, your desire, then the first thing to do is to warm up the body. As you warm up and tune a musical instrument, if you are a musician, well, in this case, our instrument is the body. So we need to warm it up and we need to tune with our body. That will imply the body, I mean everything. Your muscle, the physical skeleton, everything, your face, your voice. The voice is your body too. So that implies an overall warm-up. First of all, we start with what we call the isolation. So we warm up individual parts of the body, starting from the feet and moving up to the head.